Alright, happy Monday. Happy Monday. Monday night. We've been driving around now for about 30 some odd minutes. Hey look, I got a flashlight. How cool is that? I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, I think so, huh? I think I can zoom stuff out. Alright, that's in. Look at that. We're doing a little out thing there. Alright, so they're both out, so see that? I'm trying here. So we've been out for probably about 35 minutes or so, and I'm just happy we didn't get skunked. So yes, I vote yes on not getting skunked. I hate to not get anything in this neighborhood. Well, being that it's a slow night, figured I'd stop, get out, look around, try out the old flashlight, maybe get a cord or two. Oh, look at that, some Christmas lights. Hey, a couple of cords. Look at that. Sometimes it just pays to stop and poke around. Some of that stuff in there. What we got in here? Oh, some yuckies. Little baby dolls. Covered in yuckies. Get it on you. Right in your mouth. Only kidding. Do not put that in your mouth. Not good. I like these. I like these. I like it. Any other goodies in there? Not real big on jamming my hands down there. Alright, well hey, a little bit of something out of nothing. Alright, I am really excited about this flashlight. I'm really excited. My excitement level is peaking. And we got some metal. It had been so slow. Uh-oh. Feeling awful grateful for anything tonight. So, all this stuff we would take. I hope all the light angles are good. I can move this thing around. Yeah, it's all plastic. Cool keyboard though. I got one. Is this somebody laughing at me? Maybe it was a bear. Bears all over this place. Hey now. We're dancing. I'll do some dancing. Ain't no shame in my game. Looks like a pretty nice little couch. Come on, Mr. Bed Frame. You better be careful. May mess around and get some stuff in this trailer tonight. Somebody's moving. I got the chairs. I'm gonna space this load out so it looks like we're doing something. How about that? Chairs, the 432nd chair that we've gotten this week. Just this week. 432nd. What do you got there? Oh, nice little flowers. Not flowers. Hey, how you doing? Come on, Papa. Come with us. Who knows? Maybe you work. I could use a nice working TV. Oh, there was a remote. Remote did work at one point. Till the junk man got a hold of it. I gotta empty out my car. This guy. Well, we still have a bed frame and a couple things left from the weekend. So, should be interesting. Should be a little bit more in there. Uh-oh. Glad we went searching, friends. Glad we went searching, friends. Oh, man, the lights are on. Lights on. Lights on. Oop, lights off. No, no, kidding. Lights are back on. Oh, yeah. I can't tell you enough. I really did think I was eating a zero on this night. That's what's up. This is what's up. That's empty. That is absolutely what's up. I may have to actually straighten some stuff out here. Yes, that was a good Tetris piece. Did y'all see that? That was good. That was good. Move this piece somewhere else. Where do you want to go? Oh, 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 oh. Nice little gamer chair. What was that? Oh, somebody right there. Hello there. They're probably like out there talking to themselves. Oh, it's only me. It's only Junkman 5000. Alright. Oh, I almost broke my leg today. That was fun. I didn't tell you guys about that. Almost did the whole broken leg thing. That would have really sucked. I was, what was I doing? I was moving something out of that pile and all of a sudden unleashed hell. And, came right down on my leg, little lawnmower engine that somebody had pulled apart and given to me. And man, that thing came down like a hammer. My leg's actually pretty sore right now, but that's life. That was all good. Holy moly. I say that a lot, don't I? Holy moly. Holy moly. I noticed that editing the videos. Notice a lot of stuff about yourself editing videos. Happen in life. Let the junk man come. So I appreciate it. like we'll have something to bring in tomorrow. Yeah, we still got another neighborhood after this. We are looking alright. I got a washer and a dryer, and all of a sudden, my life's a little complicated. I gotta start figuring out where to put stuff. Good issues to have. Easy. Doesn't it feel like it's midnight out? 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Usually there's kids running around playing, punching each other in the face. Don't punch anybody in the face. Alright. Oh, no, this chair too. I think y'all converted me on all the chairs. So. Ruined me. A little wobbly on me. Went a little wobbletron on the Montauban. What do we got here? Sony CD DVD player that's been wet like a jet. Boom, boom, boom. Out go the lights. Oh, is this one out? Yeah, you are. Nice. I love it when people do the work for me. Because I won't do it. I won't do the work. Yeah, I do not strip much stuff down. Sorry. Sorry, maybe next year. This year, not so much. I'm still pretty new to the scrapping game, so I'm still experimenting with some stuff. And this year we've done better with not pouting everything out and just out getting. So, next year we're hoping to have a mixture. Yay. Gearing up for the day. Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. What are all you crazy dogs doing? Huh? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Go home. Go home. Where'd you get out of? Huh? Where'd you guys get out of? Hello there. Alright, just some random dogs running around the neighborhood. Come on, go home. Go home, puppy dogs. Where's home? Get going. Yeah, go follow them. Alright, focus. Back to it. Wrist guard. Don't know what we did to it, but it hurts. So, it's a whole thing. We'll make it. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Alright, let's see what else is back here. This all's gotta go. Got to go. A toolbox. This storm just kind of crept up. Let's put it that way. Not really crept up, but yeah, it got here kind of quick. This time change is still jacking me up. I'm all jacked up off of it. This wrist is going to be a problem all day. I can just feel it. I can feel it. For good reason. Every time I move it, it hurts. Whew. I think that's the answer. If I just don't move it, it won't hurt as much. Seems like a good answer, doesn't it? Alright, enough nonsense. I gotta go get a water heater. Okay, here we are. My wrist is killing me today, so I'm probably gonna whine about it. I'm probably going to whine about it most of the day. I apologize now. I'm known to be a bit of a whiner. Don't be a whiner, Mike. Alright. Two-strap. It's a two-strap Tuesday. Come on. Don't fight with me. Little life inside of the yard. Show you all my complex breakdown that I do. It's nothing like Mr. Nachos, my buddy. I was watching break down this clock the other day. He got some good money in brass, though. We have a different philosophy on that. We have a different philosophy. But the breakdown that he did show was pretty compelling. If you could be set up in time. If it really only took him 8 minutes to make a $15 difference, then that's alright. That's alright. Stop whacking your head on things. Goodness. So with me, mostly it's all time money. Come on down. Well, I'm trying most of the time to focus on volume. Volume, volume, volume. What I'm missing in little stuff. What I say when I mean little stuff, I mean, okay, I don't break something down as much as somebody else. I didn't get that little bit of whatever. Just because, oh, these are my tools. These are the tools that I use on the breakdown. Little magneto. And then if it's a perfect world, I like to set up like this, where I have a little pile right here where I can do my thing and nobody can get up next to me. They can this way, but not that way. And I also like coming in here first thing in the morning like a bike. Don't do that. Don't throw away bikes. What do we got here? She's light. Ooh! Aluminum. Oh, that isn't. That's sticky. So this is going to be old dirt dog. Light irony. Goodbye, TV. Quite the incline we got going here. Oh, this little water heater. Stupid little thing. It was a pain in the butt. I didn't bring you guys with me. Absolute pain in the butt to load because of where it needed to go. Let's see how we swing a hammer today with this wrist. Come on, baby. There she goes. Hammer skills are still in check. Let's go. Make me stop barrel walking. I have a video if anybody wants to check that out. Me doing a little barrel walking. I'm into the ninja stuff. Well, this year's been so much work. Just because I got some exciting things coming up in the new year. And I'm not ready to discuss here yet. But it is exciting. Hello. See how much effort we want to put into this. Oh yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Aluminum. God, this thing hooks on anything. That's a good little cart for something. We've had a couple of those. We've had a couple of those. That's coming with us. Hello, Mr. Toolbox. Come on! Hello, engine that somebody broke down for me. Thank you. Much appreciated. Save me some work. Woo! Nacho had a great line. He had a great line yesterday. He made me giggle. In his video, somebody left out some boat seats and they didn't leave the boat. I mean, can you even believe it? People these days. I don't know, man. What's it all coming to? Hey, it's voting day. Can't forget. That's what I gotta go do. Maybe right after this. We'll go cast our vote. Yep. Oh, are we in the way? I hope not. Find out here in a second. Oh, that thing's been cut already. Cord is something over there. Thing. Yeah. These pants that I got on always wanting to fall off. All the time. I feel that. I think I'm slowing down the show here. Yeah. Look at these. Oh, nice. Get all this off. This can stay. Oh no. Where did I put the cutters? Oh, there they are. My pants fall off. Sorry, I'm just trying to be quick right now. I feel like I'm holding him up. They have stuff to do. Don't get out of here. Sit around and play with stuff like I do all day. Alright, chords. That. This. That and there. Get our engine back in. Alright. And all this is what's going to go over to Jesse. And you guys seen my whole breakdown. That's all there is to it. That's all I break down in real time. So, alright. I gotta fix my pants. We're off. Happy. Let's see, this is still Tuesday. But this is going to be Tuesday night into Wednesday. Welcome back to the channel. And we're opening it with bikes. Bikes. We're going to load this up real quick. Already did our morning run. It's been kind of a low-key morning. I actually took the morning off. I went home and took a little nap because I was drained. So, started right up, came out to the Oviedo Mall where they donated 2 bikes to us. Good to know people at the Oviedo Mall. Here we are. I don't know what this is going to go on. I don't know which video this is going to go on. The rains have started here in Central Florida. The absolute last thing most of these people need. Rain. Last thing I need is me picking stuff up with his wrist. Remember that whole thing I said about her being a complainer? Here it comes. Alright. Yes, y'all, and it don't stop. Look at that little water heater action. Little A.O. Smith. What do we got going on you? You got a serial number on you? 96! Holy crap! This thing is like... got some water in it. Oh, it's filled with sediment. Our water here in Florida is like, forget about it. And this thing being from 96 is like a triple forget about it. Alright, we're here at my grill guy. Called me up and told me he left me some grill parts and some car parts, and I am a happy man. So, I think we are going to make another run back and cash this bad girl in. Now, normally, I don't know if I would go all the way there. But today, being that we got this storm on the way, it is... I don't really want to store much. That makes sense. So yeah, we are not going to store much. We are getting everything right to the yard. We are going to go scrap tonight, but Don't know. Don't know how exactly it's gonna go. And the yard, I think, is gonna be open tomorrow, but not on Friday, so, or Thursday. Friday they'll probably be open. I don't think Thursday. So, is what it is. See if we can get as much in as possible. I think this morning's load was like 750 pounds, something like that, so maybe we could string a little together. Oh no! Oh! Look, I just rubbed it on the side of me. Ah, it looks like it just untied though. Poor Clary. Alright, gotta keep that. Gotta keep that so she can hook me up, make me whole again. Okay, well, that's another day done. More fun than we should have. It's actually Tuesday night, I think, something like that. Just wanted to catch the ending of this video real quick. So we ended up doing about 1,200 pounds for around 130 bucks. That stainless steel really helped from our grill guy, getting that little run in. Last night's run wasn't so good, but made it work. Overall, it was a good day. So, thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. We really appreciate you. I just got out of the shower, so I'm going to go edit this video, and then it'll be off quick to the presses. If you haven't hit subscribe yet, if you could please do that, I would really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Thanks for tuning in, and we will talk to you soon.